Welcome to MaxxEcu Training Part 1. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at how to download and install our MTune calibrating software onto our laptops. It's a relatively simple process, but this is going to be the start for the beginning of our training course. Let's jump into this video so we can check out the process.
Okay, so let's get started. We're going to be taking a look at how to download and install our MTune tuning software onto our laptops. This is the very first step when we're going through and learning how to work with our MaxxEcu systems. We need to have the software onto our laptops in order to go through the training tutorial and also to do any kind of calibration, tuning, or any kind of data logging with your MaxxEcu system. So let's go in here to our web browser. We're going to be learning how to download this. This is a very basic step. You may already have this downloaded onto your laptop, but I'm going to go through it anyway, just so that it's very clear how to do this in case you're getting confused on getting the actual software onto your laptops, because they don't provide a CD within the box when you're purchasing the MaxxEcu. You have to actually go in and download it off of the website. Let's go here to our web browser. And we're going to be moving into our MaxxEcu.com, so type that into your web browser at the top. It's going to redirect you to the front page is what we're finding here right now. Now we're going to go in from our side here. These are clickable links. We can go products and we can go into MTune. MTune is the option we want to go and actually check on here or click on. That's going to redirect us to our software specific page. This is going to allow us to download the software onto our laptops. So if you move down here a little bit, we're going to find that we have this yellow clickable link. This is going to allow us to download the .exe or executable file to install the software onto our laptops. Now, at the time of filming right now, 1.135 is the latest and greatest that they have to offer. However, if you're watching this a year from now, 2 years from now, the software version is more than likely going to be a much higher number because they're releasing updates relatively frequently. Now, what we're covering in the training course is still going to be relevant here into the future. You're going to find that they've sometimes when they do a release, it's going to be fixing bugs that were from a previous software version, or sometimes they add new features or functions, or maybe a CAN broadcast for a particular car they're trying to support. So there's going to be all kinds of reasons why they put out software updates. You always want to be on the latest software update whenever possible, but at this point in time, at the time of filming, this is going to be what the latest is going to be available. Let me click on the link here, which is going to be prompting up down at the bottom of the screen whether we want to run the .exe or save the .exe. In this case, I want to go and click run. Run is going to allow me to just go in and try to automatically download from the website and immediately start to run the file. There's really no reason to save it, so I'm going to click run right now. It's going to take about a minute or two to do the download process. It's going to ask me here, do I want to install the package? I'm going to say yes here because I actually want to go through with this process. Let's click yes, and then we'll be patient here. Now what we're going to find is that it's going to have the MaxxEcu MTune setup. It's going to be our prompt window to go through the process here to do the actual installation. Now the download that I just downloaded, I clicked on that link, that download was extremely fast. I have very quick internet here, which is why I downloaded very quickly. It might take you a minute or two to download it. It depends on your internet speed. Now, at this point, I'm going to click next because I want to proceed with setting up my MTune software. It's going to be telling me the location that's going to be installing itself into. Now, this is going to be our C drive, program files, x86, and then MaxxEcu MTune. That's the folder it's going to install all of its packets into. We're going to keep it into that location. There's no reason I want to go and change it. Now down below this, the USB driver version is also important. Install the latest USB drivers as recommended, or install the older USB drivers for Windows XP. Now I'm going to be, on this particular laptop, I'm running Windows 10, so I want to go and choose this upper option here. If you are running XP, you'll choose the lower option. Let's click next here. Now we have to go in and click install if we're ready to go to do the installation process, which I am. So I'm going to click install right now and allow it to do the auto installation. Now this process here takes about 30 seconds to a minute in order to extract all of the information out of our executable file that we've downloaded from the website. So let's let this finish here. It should take just a few more moments. All right, now we can see that it is finished. You can see click finish button to exit the setup wizard. Let's click finish. And now we can minimize our web browser here. And what we're going to find is that we have our icon on our desktop right now. If we double click our shortcut link icon, that's going to open up the software. Let's take a look at it real quick. We double click here. That's going to allow us to start to open it. Now there's going to be a separate tutorial. In fact, the next tutorial, we're going to be doing an in-depth look at the software. Let's just quickly go through the software and so we can get kind of familiar with it right now. At the very top, we're going to find icons that we can click on here. They're going to have a variety of different tasks. We have a connect icon.
Thanks for checking out our teaser clip. If you want to see the rest of this video and more than 500 hours of current EFI training we have to offer, make sure you click right here. If you want to go and check out more teaser clips from this training course, click here. And you don't want to miss any of the videos we're going to be releasing on this channel, so make sure you subscribe and click here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.